How would our different theories view these issues about race in the media? Functionalists would focus more on the important social functions that the media has in society. Through representations, the media creates cohesion and a shared sense of meaning in American culture. It creates a sense of right and wrong, of morality, and those lessons are an important part of our socialization. According to functionalists, bias serves those that are promoting the stories, meaning the producers, but also society. When this bias no longer serves these individuals and the rest of society, bias will no longer be present in our media presentation. Conflict theorists would focus instead on how inequality is perpetuated between different racial groups. The stereotypes that it reinforces maintains the status quo, which is what those in power, i.e. the producers of the media and the advertisers, want. Racism and oppression are perpetuated and reinforced because non-whites are generally not portrayed without the stereotypes that support those attitudes and belief systems. Critical race theorists would consider why deliberate messages are constructed by the media, and that who controls society through those messages. Relationships of dominance and subordinance are maintained through these messages. So to recap our discussion in this chapter, we should focus on the main idea that the media shapes our language, our behavior, our dress, and our attitudes. It's a main socializing agent in society, and for almost all people, an inescapable presence in their lives. It is often unexamined and unquestioned by most of society. We are passive receptors of those messages. The media has a hand in shaping our cultural values, the norms and expectations of people, and the general ideologies that shape our thoughts, the laws, and our policies. The media has a profound effect on how we see our world and the way we think about society. And that concludes our chapter on the media. Next up, we'll be looking at the institutional practice of residential segregation.